Welcome back to my new video. This video, I'm going to teach you how you can get the current working directory of your file system using Golang. So let's jump right into the IDE. It's going to be a short video, 3, 4, 5 minutes, we are done. So let's get started. So I'm already in the IDE with my previous Go file. As you can see in this directory, we have a main Go file. I'm going to comment out all this code. Okay. And start from the top. So what I'm going to do here is going to use the OS library and say os.get. As you can see, get working directory. And this returns a directory of string and then an error, okay? So I'm going to call it current working there, as well as the error. I'm just going to handle the errors. If the error is not equal to nil, we want to panic, print out the error. Else, we're just going to print fmt.printf printf. Then we're going to say current working directory is %s for string, and then we pass in the current working there. All right, so that is all to it, how you can get a current working directory. So let's run this code and see what we get. So as you can see, my current working directory is this string right here. Okay, so that is all to it, as simple as that. Once you grab this current working directory, you can decide to switch to a new directory or something. Let's say os.change there. Okay, so the change there or change directory, you have to pass in a directory. So I can decide to pass in this current working directory or a new directory. Okay, so usually you want to pass in a new working directory, which can be something like this. Something like this, and then maybe you pass in maybe YouTube tutorials / maybe enum. Okay, so you can grab the current working directory, and then once you grab that, you can switch to a different directory, or you can do whatever you want to do with the current working directory. Maybe you want to delete some files in this current working directory. So based on your logic, it all depends on what exactly you want to use this object for, the current working directory for. Yeah, so I wish you all the best. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.